Okay, tip number 2. Often in the sitemap, there's a lot of trash. Trash as in duplicate content. If you look here inside this example, you can see that there's an author sitemap, a category sitemap. The page is good, the post is good, but do we really need these? If we look into these, you can actually see that there's very little here. In this case, an uncategorized, because there's no categories on this site. This is a demo site. How do I get rid of the category here, and how do I get rid of the author? And if I didn't want the post, how would I get rid of that? Let me show you those right now. Before I do that, take note of the URL here. This is the full URL that you can add to Webmaster Console. Don't go adding these in here. There's just too much. It will actually find those based on the unique top level address. So that's the only sitemap you need to actually add into Webmaster Console. So to control things inside Yoast, let's go into Yoast and have a look. Click into Yoast, click into Search Appearance, and you'll see in here now you've got lots of different tabs. Taxonomies. Now, what the heck is a taxonomy? Here it is from Google, a taxonomy. Well, basically, it's a list of information. Now, if you look into the archives here, you'll see basically that the author archives is on, and it's also shown in search results. So the little help there will tell you a little bit more. And right now it's on. Let's click it off, save it, and then refresh our sitemap, and that author should disappear now. It's gone. Phew. So now you know how to switch the author on and off. Basically, the author is if you've got multiple authors on your website, it will categorize the posts and content for that particular author. Let's have a look at the taxonomies now. Categories, well, we can switch those off. In this case, we don't want the categories. The site's a brand new site. Later on in the future, we might want categories, but right now there's nothing in there. It's just trash. If we show that to Google, it goes like, wow, like no good. So we'll save that, refresh our sitemap, and you'll see straight away that the actual category goes like sayonara, bye-bye. Great, now we've got a nice clean sitemap. We've got posts and page. Well, what if you wanted to get rid of your posts or your pages? Then where do they occur? Well, you've actually got that under content types. And in here you can see that there is the one for the posts, and down below here we can see the same thing for pages. So we can switch that off, save it, and see what happens. And the pages should disappear. Let's come into our sitemap and refresh, and they should have gone. Yahoo! Now, of course, we need the pages because we want Google to find the pages, and we probably most likely want the posts because we've got posts in our blog. So let's switch that back on, and voila, it's back up and running. Yahoo! Whoa! Hey, I hope you got a lot of value from the video today. This video is one tip of 5 tips, and there's a bonus tip as well. If you want to watch the whole video, watch this now. This video is the complete video, and there's extra information here about SEO and a lot of other extra information, more than what's actually been in this tip video. So thank you very much again today. Keep on watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.